Yes, there's Mustard. I have to video Mustard because she's so sweet. There's Mustard, the white dog that's so sweet. This is the day before she's getting trimmed. This is what Mustard looks like before getting trimmed. She looks like a little lamb.
Like a little ragamuffin.
Yes.
Because I'm not a ragamuffin.
You're a funny little ragamuffin is what you are. Yes, what a nice dog. What a nice dog. Yeah, the bed looks real nice. We're about to demolish it.
She doesn't like her picture being taken.
She says, oh, I'm just everybody's model. I just always have to be everybody's model.
Since I was in that wanted poster. Must have seen your latest portrait at the post office?
She keeps forgetting how to go up the ramp because she doesn't see it. It's right here, Miss. Right here. Right here. There you go.
Looking for, I was just looking for
There
Chunko.
you go. There you go.
Here's Chunko. Chunko.
You don't have to pose, sweetie.
Oh,
And that's what Dad does too. He poses for the moving camera. Lots of kisses. Lots of kisses.
It's called the affection torture.
It must not be too torturous if she's not going away.
She loves Daddy giving her kisses. You're done now. Nope. No, man, don't kiss speech on us. Yeah, yes, they do. Daddy loves Buster.
Yes.
See,
Yes.
Mommy. See, Mommy.
Yes. Such a nice dog.
Yeah,
Such a nice dog.
All right, set the batteries.
Such a nice dog.
Dog has had enough.
I want her to look at me first. There we go.
Yeah, there's Mommy. Daddy loves you so much.
Aww. Okay, there, now the smile's gone.
I wiped that smile right off her face. Wipe that smile right off your face.
Oh, that's cute. All right.